the top 3 highlights for the office business?
It's actually really hard to pick from all the different things we show here at the booth. But one thing that comes to mind is definitely our print policies booth, or rule-based printing, how it's sometimes called. And this enables the dealers to actually offer print output reporting and consulting to their customers. And whether it's a corporate print policy such as not printing outside of working hours, or automatically converting a simplex print into a duplex printing for lower carbon footprint. And it's a really flexible solution and still very easy to sell because the story is very easy to understand for the customers. So I think we have a very powerful solution for our customers there. Secondly, what comes to mind, our second highlight would be our panel customization or world of customization booth. And here we give the dealers some tools that they can use without programming knowledge to create their own user interfaces for the customer's needs. So some customers, they want to have the buttons placed a little bit differently. They want to have additional information in the panel for servicing purposes and so on. So all this can be customized by the dealers and then turned into profit through our BizUp marketplace platform. So that's the second highlight.
What about the third?
The third one is actually our universal terminal, and we are quite proud of this because Konica Minolta Europe has conceived that concept, and it allows us to bring application connectivity to any device that doesn't genuinely have this kind of connectivity. So what it does actually is bring OpenAPI connectivity to small single function printers or large in-house production devices. And what we can do is then have pull print applications and deliver them on those devices and have a real user experience that is unified with our larger devices like the A4 and A3 lineup that is also presented here. Panel customization actually turns them into not only IT service providers, but consultants on the possibilities that users have to increase productivity and their efficiency. And panel customization delivers the users the panels they need for their daily workflows. And dealers then can profit by that by creating those panels themselves, uploading them to a central marketplace platform, and then turning them into profit by selling the licenses to those panels to their customers. So it's a great thing for them.
That sounds interesting. And what about the private cloud approaches?
The private cloud approach is similar to that, but it's a little bit different in the way that it turns them into hardware providers that not only provide output devices, but small IT infrastructure out of the box. So that they don't need to necessarily know how to set up an IT infrastructure, but still they can provide IT services like storage concepts or small ERPs for small customers and activate that pretty quickly. And that's an entry level into IT services for them.